Guys, it's Brooke
and Zen,
and today we are going to an abandoned house. The important part is that a guy allegedly shot himself and he died, and the bloodstain's supposedly supposed to be there.
wish that was me.
Anyways, so we're gonna go pick up some of our good friends later that we're gonna go with, and we're just gonna tag you guys along the adventure.
Yeah.
We'll be back. We're gonna go pick up our friends. I'm gonna go. What?
There's a dust.
I don't know if y'all can see our view, but it's a graveyard
Fire.
in my front yard. But yeah. Hi guys, sorry to step in. Zen's at home. So basically we didn't record ourselves going to the house, but we're at the house now. So fast forward to that. A whole like piano.
I can't believe I've never been to this.
Oh yeah.
Birthday, bro. Who had their birthday here?
Yo.
I stepped on something.
Oh, hell no.
What?
Yeah.
That craft burger. That looks like an ass.
This was such a nice house too.
It is actually. It looked like it was gonna be.
Oh, this is the
Nothing in the
kitchen.
fridge.
Yo, I'm not looking at the fridge,
I ain't touching this shit. Oh, we got candy.
yo. Candy. Yo, who threw a Halloween party here? Ain't no, bro. We got some peeps. Yo, we got the Flytrap 2000. Yeah.
Also, I got my knife out.
What's good? It's good.
Bro, can we celebrate our birthday here?
Yeah.
Back there is just a living room.
This house looks like it's been like used recently.
I mean, probably. Shit, I don't know. Oh, look, here's another bathroom, y'all. I told you, this is the living room.
Diaper.
Okay, somebody bringing a baby in here?
Maybe.
I don't
Look, they
know.
got that charcoal, y'all, I'm telling you.
Watch that picture of it.
Lived here.
Just some
I don't
coffee
know.
and some pills.
I don't like my back.
Here's the rest of the couch.
Pretty good. The rest of the couch? Yo.
No, we're getting home.
From the front. Oh my god, it's that bitch.
Hi.
Yo Gabba Gabba.
Yo,
I used to watch that shit as a kid, bro.
bro.
Bro,
This is actually cool as fuck.
What is that?
It's a pool stick.
Bro, keep that on us.
If there was only.
Yeah, fucking just use it.
what is this from?
Shit, I don't.
Where?
That's fresh shit. man.
Dang!
Blur that.
Bro, fish tanks. Fire.
Fireplace.
They have like two other fireplaces.
This
in
house
those
is just
other
like
places.
huge.
Someone sleeping?
Bro.
Oh my god, I want that!
Cool.
I have one.
Bro, that's cool actually.
That's some poltergeist shit.
That's that ring shit. What? That's how the ring started, with a VHS.
So the story is apparently the guy like shot and killed himself upstairs.
Oh, well, that's fucking lovely.
Yeah, very lovely.
This room?
Yeah,
What?
you bring your
We can't even show that.
Fix the camera, guys. All right, who wants to go up?
yeah. Ladies first.
They get to go.
Monster Jam 1998! The American thing.
All right, Logan, you're a lady. Let's go.
No, because I did less.
Oh, okay.
This is a little creepy.
Yeah, this room's
A
creepy.
kid bedroom.
Okay.
Stop tripping. That's rough.
Why is the light switch in the middle? Oh, yeah, we got Avengers Endgame.
Not the baby.
I made it to the kids'
Did
room
this
now.
kid have a baby?
I don't
Or
know.
like this guy?
That should be $200.
I'm pretty sure this is
Yeah.
in your system.
Bro,
Mini
Why don't they ever
sausage.
sell
Bro.
I don't know.
Dog.
Bro, it's a weenie.
Logan.
Logan, stop kicking
I'm
the.
trying to get him in the corner.
Honestly, yeah.
Oh yeah, keep his ass there.
He's a piece of
And
There's one.
oh shit! Y'all check your shoes.
Oh, I definitely
Okay, I'm good, but I'm getting the
Nah, The guy apparently shot himself right over there.
Where?
Over here.
You know what? We're just visiting. Please don't fuck me up.
Bro, Logan, you got the back thing. It's like underneath all this trash.
The dude shot himself right here.
Apparently.
In this corner?
Yeah, like. Bro, this room's cool.
Not the hamster cage.
G59! Yo!
Fuck yeah.
Ain't no way!
Here's G5, huh?
Suicide Boys! Who need their
Hey, start
AirPods?
the fucking Reese. Here.
Bro, does that even work?
Yeah, Reese.
Let's go to the balcony, guys.
Oh, God.
Open it.
We should turn our lights off when we go up there.
Okay. Hold on. Okay. He came in from out there. You should shut this door.
This used to be like a kids.
You guys want to sleep over here?
Yo, this crazy. Bro, sleepover?
Again?
Yeah, there's more to earth.
Oh my god. So
I feel
I
it.
got a
That's
bra.
a big ass closet.
that is a
No, like there's more.
Bra.
I about lost my balance.
Oh yeah, I think it's
Oh, there's shit everywhere.
this is fucking nasty, bro.
Who has
Oh,
a
hold
big
the
ass
fuck up.
closet like this? Oh, okay,
Yeah.
that's in the bathroom.
What the?
That's antique. No, I'm touched by the bed. I'm not touching
There's
that.
nothing in it.
Yo,
Whoa, is this part of their closet?
Yeah, this is
This
a
is
must
a
have happened
huge.
like real recently.
I don't know.
big
I want the address after this to figure out what the fuck happened because it was it has to be in the news or something.
Bro, look, it's an angel.
They got shampoo here, bro.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, yo, here's
People
probably a
still
picture of her.
Bro, how do you feel?
It's kind of cool.
You're like, no.
I got my weapon on case I need it.
Smart,
Oh.
smart.
What is it?
What is, oh, is that
I'm
a
trying to
duffel
open
bag?
this. There's like shit in there. From the zipper. Zipper.
Is it a pamphlet for a trip?
Something.
Yeah.
But I did
Flex
that.
your shoes real quick. What do you got?
You can see her. She's gonna wash her ass down.
Peppers,
You
peppers.
fuck.
I got my hair dudes.
Got some Vans. What you wearing? You got the
Got
Converse.
Y'all got a different brand?
Bro, this, I think it's a school book.
Oh,
Well,
God.
a bag.
Open some shit up. Try here. Let me rip this bitch. No, here, hold the other side.
Is that Alf? No.
Bro.
It looked like Alf, yo.
Yeah. Hold that side.
Directions? It's a travel bag. It's a vacation. It literally says on the bag.
Oh.
Vacation.
Is that where they used to work? What's in them
maybe
Nike
they-
box
maybe they
shoes?
just like traveling.
Don't forget your phone.
Oh,
It's supposed to be
yeah.
an ID or something.
Oh, wait, no.
Oh, shit.
This is trash.
Oh, but there's like shit in there.
Ew. Actually.
It looks like hair stuff.
Oh, yeah, fuck that. The vibrator right there.
Logan, I don't think that was a vibrator.
Oh, God, it is.
I think that's for alcohol.
That?
I'm joking. I'm fucking
Bro, more nasty toilet, bro. This is f***ing gross.
What's
Oh, there's like used pads, bro.
Bro. There's a lip pencil.
There's a what?
Eye lip pencil.
Don't put that on your skin. This is a nice bathroom too.
Nice. People have dyed their hair here.
Oh, it led up to the last room. Yo, how much you weigh? Oh shoot.
Your mama.
Oh my god, bro.
I didn't mean to do that.
All right, we made it to the last room. Do you want to go outside to the pool?
Yes.
Let's go.
We
That's
would.
like the only room we really.
Looked in. Do you want to look in more?
I don't give a fuck.
Oh my god.
What?
You can be a teenage mutant ninja turtle, bro.
Kids.
I don't know. Looks more like a kid.
I'm interested in that not basement, but like the little crawl space, but I don't want to go in there.
I doubt it's that deep.
Susan Wesley.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are we going out to the pool?
Calm down.
All right, we have to go out through over here. Out here. Yeah, go out through there.
Did we go in here? I'm acoustic.
Wait,
Acoustic?
oh, it is.
All right, y'all ready?
Oh, there's light.
I like how they did brick floor.
I told you there's lights.
This is good as fuck.
All right, you're gonna go that way.
Damn, I love how they spruced it up, you know. The little fairy lights
headed to the pool. Bro. Crazy.
This is some shit out of a horror movie right here.
Dude, this is like a second. It's like an outhouse. Like not an outhouse, but like a second home.
Yeah.
Like if they have
Here.
visitors or visitors.
That's not that interesting. I ain't gonna check that.
Yeah,
It's just
jump in.
a horror movie and stuff like
I mean, that window's like kind of open. It looks like.
What if there's like an alarm, bro?
that. Well, I mean, if there's not an alarm on this, I'm sure there'd be an alarm on this. But, yeah.
It was important. That one.
Oh my god. Y'all saw that bird, bro?
Hey, bro,
Should we
maybe
go
there's a
in?
car in there.
You wanna go in?
Hell yeah. Okay.
Oh, look at that cool microwave, yo.
That's what I'm saying. We can heat up the popcorn.
Wait, I have popcorn in my car. Whoa, there's an upstairs, y'all.
Oh, this
I
one
would
was
be
a
careful.
barn.
Yeah.
And they like.
It's like a
rounded it
garage.
out.
There's another one over there too. I'm trying to see if there's something.
Fuck is that?
That looks.
Bendy in the ink machine, my boys.
Cindy in the ink machine. Who needs a gas thing?
Huh?
A gas thing. You need one, Mom?
Oh shit.
This creature.
Have you never been in it?
Oh, this is sad, low key.
I know.
Like just thinking that this was like
I
someone's
just
like.
want to do research. Like, I want
Why don't you just look up the address and see what happened?
Who's pills?
Oh my god, I walked through a spider web.
There's Taco Bell sauces.
Taco Bell sauces. Bro, there's a toaster.
That's a whole bag of
There's
clothes.
like lingerie in here and shit.
Lingerie.
Yeah,
It's hella pills
Bro.
here. Not the toaster.
Oh, you not the toaster.
He was trying to kill himself.
I know.
Oh, he did.
It's just prescription. I ain't touching that shit.
Bro, my glasses keep falling.
Is it for the bitch?
Did you hear that?
Is it for the bitch?
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Did somebody just scream?
Let's just go upstairs
Yeah,
real
I wanna
quick.
do something.
I'm telling you, I heard a
No,
scream.
no, I'm
Me too.
dead.
No, no. Yeah. You know, they should go for it.
Well,
Me too. Like, I'm dead. Bro,
that's how it be, bro.
don't shut it.
Is that a wasp nest?
I think so. So we heard a scream. Oh, me and my friend did. What?
Put your camera underneath it.
Isn't that the same room? Yes, the same thing.
I think you're tweaking.
It's loud. What's that say? Shahana's parking.
Y'all wanna go in here though?
Sure, let's go. Try to make it fast.
We just gotta make sure this bitch don't fall.
Oh, is it gonna fall?
It can.
Probably
Okay,
not,
we'll be
but
careful.
it smells like straight here. Yeah. You want a new hubcap?
I have one. Why do you keep saying that, bro? You
Oh.
saw it in the back of my car.
Guys, there's more photos.
Oh, really?
It's a photo album.
Look at this cool lamp.
Of course someone had to break that bull.
I know. Look at this cool lamp. You would have liked it.
I know, I did like it.
Can you hold my phone?
Bro, it's pool table things. You use these to like
Yeah.
put the thing. Oh.
Yeah, I probably will.
Happy birthday to a son.
Why are you trying to?
Those are like
Oh my god! Just little shotgun slugs.
Yo. What the?
Oh shit, they do.
I think this is a pool table under here.
Yeah, it's just I think this is because there's a lot of.
Maybe, but no, this is for like bolting.
Yeah, I think they bolted it because
Oh, look
these
how many-
are.
this is all-
I know.
This is
chalk.
chalk.
What?
Biohazard.
Oh. How come we did not notice that?
Oh.
Interesting.
Oh, it feels empty, but you know, I don't even want to know what's in there.
What?
Should we try to check out that other
That's
house?
what I was thinking. That looked like a barn.
I don't know.
Like by your
I don't
car.
know.
I don't know because I don't
There
know.
wasn't like a driveway or pathway to it, so it might be a separate house. Because there
Yeah.
wasn't, like, when we were pulling in, it was just a bunch of hay. There wasn't, like, a separate driveway or
Thank
pathway.
God.
Are we just gonna cut straight across because the house is right there? Damn, them birds.
Should we close it?
No. Too loud.
Let's go this way.
Come on.
Be careful.
Bro, you almost just ate ass. Alright, so how'd you feel about it?
Pretty fucking awesome in there.
Me? Yeah.
It was just
Pretty
a little
cool.
creepy. What do you?
I don't know. I don't know what that is.
What?
That one over there.
I want to go check it out.
The house does look creepy. Look at that.
Pictures and see if y'all can see any like faces looking at you in the window.
Bro, we
No.
will. We will later. Ah.
Maybe we should have got that.
I think you have
Oh yeah, we were gonna bring the Ouija board.
That looks like a barn.
a
The two doors like a barn.
I think we'll do that by ourselves.
But it looks like there's another house behind it.
I can't see no more. My shit foggy.
Yeah, it looks like another house behind it. I don't know. I mean, it is a farm, so I'm pretty sure it's a barn.
It's all in the pocket.
Bro.
I pulled my nose out. Oh, but the sky does look good.
It smells way good.
Oh, look at the stars.
Smells like something's dead in there.
Ooh, I don't know.
Bro. I don't know, probably. I don't want to go in there.
See, we'll figure it out.
Oh my god, Logan. Ah!
Look at that chandelier, yo.
I think you're tweaking. That's like the roof falling through.
No, on the floor, dumbass.
I want to go see
I
what's
don't know.
other
You
things are.
really don't know.
This really just looks like an empty room.
Well, he says it's infestation.
Are
Infestation.
Yeah, those are stairs. But look upstairs.
Anyway, there's no stairs.
ain't no
There is no
It
upstairs,
smells like
bro.
fucking house in here. So.
I don't think those are stairs. I think it's just like some
Yeah.
outline of something.
Wait, no.
It looks like stairs.
Wait, no, yeah, it does look like stairs.
It looks like stairs, but there's nothing
And there's
behind
a
them.
room back there.
Yeah. Do you think there's an infestation?
infestation.
Well, I mean, y'all got masks on, so we're probably fine for about like 30 seconds.
Okay, let's just go.
30 seconds?
30 seconds will go. Go, no, you're
That's how long
you
it
go,
takes
you
for
go
any
first.
guy.
Shit, that's one ancient ass TV.
Hey, yo, I used to have one of those.
Ancient ass me too.
But this doesn't feel right.
Shut the fuck up, shut the fuck up.
I'm just scared.
It's okay.
I have a TV just like that.
I didn't hear you.
Bro, this is the right place.
Yo, how much you want to bet there is some bats living in here?
Probably is.
Oh, we got some important business calls to make.
He's got hoes.
He stands on business.
He's doing a little business. Fuck that. No one.
How
Do you see the upstairs?
That shit literally looks like
It
a
doesn't.
prison.
It doesn't. I don't think it does.
Yeah.
Look at that. It goes to something.
Alright, I don't like breathing. I feel like I'm breathing this shit in.
What the fuck? She don't give a fuck.
They got me fucked up, bro.
Yeah, I ain't going in there.
That's just like a fucking room for like. It's literally just a room of smell. That's lovely.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I would.
Alright, yeah.
What's upstairs?
Okay. I think it goes to a room.
I don't like that. I don't like that part.
Oh, what?
I'm hearing creaks everywhere.
Let him say hello. Oh yeah, y'all be careful.
This is like some fucking ring shit. The ring?
Look at the open.
Alright.
Oh, yeah, do not come over here.
as Logan goes over there.
Fuck that.
They would tear everything
I
down.
don't know why they did it.
They would tear everything
Oh
down.
yeah, for sure. Maybe not. Yeah, probably.
Toilet, bro?
Yeah.
That's the shit.
Bro, we sit downstairs. I don't know if I like that room.
Yeah, it's all like asbestos. Look at that moldy ass insulation.
Yeah, it looks really creepy.
That's kind of cool. They made like a heart out of a wood.
Oh.
There's a bunch of them.
It's all good.
Yeah, my little bitty. Actually, I
We're
probably
safe
can't show
now.
that. You can blur it out.
We can film someone their floor, bro.
Because I
Rip my pants.
I swear to God.
Like, it's a bike. No, that wasn't no fucking
No, I swear to God, it was.
I didn't hear anything.
Bro, I'm telling you, in that video, in that video, literally, I'm telling you, you're
Let's
gonna
watch
be
the
able to
video.
hear. We will when we get to the Waffle House. We gotta figure out which one it is. That's good, guys.
We're back.
We're back again from the house. So there's a lot of things that happen. So this is just gonna be the outro. What?
What?
Oh. First of all, we had trouble finding the place because we wasn't for sure. Like, so we were confused, okay? Because the maps was like showing something different. Anyways, we pull in and
We already have a problem. We get fucking stuck
we get stuck, bro.
in the mud.
But it's okay. Because our friend's an expert and he got it out. And we were just trying to like turn it around so like if we needed to like flee out of that bitch, we could just drive off.
Vroom, vroom.
So yeah, so we first get there. The house is huge, by the way. It's like 2 stories, balcony. So we go in, everything's fine, but like as we're like walking in first, like someone said that they heard something stepping in the woods. Was it you? Or
I think the first one was me.
Yeah.
I did hear a branch snap,
but
but the birds came out.
yeah, and like this like place is like on a bunch of like property land. So
It was like
you think it's like a deer or something. So then we're looking through the house, everything's like going good. Well, we get out to like one of the garages, and I swear, like me and Alicia were talking, and my other 2 friends, so Zen and Logan, were in the corner talking. Me and Alicia were over there, and literally me and Alicia heard a hey, and I was like, did you hear that? And Alicia was like, yeah. So like it wasn't only me who heard it, it was our friend as well. So that kind of freaked us out a lot. So we go to the other garage, and then we decide to go to the barn. The barn
we
was
didn't even know how to get in.
yeah, the barn was like the creepiest thing.
Yeah.
Like it was creepier than the house. I don't know.
Yeah, I didn't like the barn.
I didn't like I really didn't like the barn. There was
go in that one place.
yeah, there was okay, so we walk in the barn. First of all, there's like insulation everywhere.
Insulation fiberglass.
It looked like there was gonna be like bat feces. Anyways, so you walk in and there's like this room that's like completely dark and it's like kind of open. That was the only place I don't think we went into out of the whole like area that we went to.
Yeah.
It just was not giving like good vibes. You'll see it in the video. Maybe. If you can kind of see it. But there was an upstairs too, and we went upstairs, and then like it's just the barn opening, which is pretty cool. And then on our way out, you know, we were stargazing for a little bit too. You'll see that, but
We saw the Big Dipper.
we did see the Big Dipper. We were walking out to go to the car, and like our friend turns around and he's just staring. And he was like, "Bro, no!" and like starts running to the car. So we all start running to the car, and he's like, "I heard something. Like there's something out there. Like there's something out in the woods." And like we've already been like hearing things all night, and like we're not even like exaggerating. Like I swear.
I didn't even want to be paranoid.
Like we weren't trying to be paranoid, but like I swear, like me and Alicia did like hear a hey, like loud. It was like hey, but it also is kind of near a police station. So we run into the car. Zen, the door wouldn't unlock for Zen for some reason, but it unlocked for everyone else. So I had to keep pushing the button. Zen gets in the car, and I drive off before they could even shut the door. Cause I'm like no, cause Logan's like go 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 go. And like we're freaking out, and so we whip out of that place. We literally like went and ate at Waffle House, and we like played back the video of like, but we went and like rewatched one of the videos of like where me and Alicia swear we heard a hey, but
I don't think
don't
it
know.
is
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna show up because it was like kind of faint, but I swear it was there. We're gonna like try to see if we can enhance the audio or something. End of our first YouTube video.
Yeah.
All right. Well, hopefully there will be more to come. Literally.
Very much so.
Yeah, we're gonna try to keep it up. But that's all, guys. Bye.
Bye.